the other day when I was live streaming, I got all my viewers to make some jelly builds in the lobby.
Yep.
And I discovered that there are 3 particular cars that, if built properly and taken into a corner, tend to drive on 2 wheels, and when you accelerate, tend to pop a wheelie, and when you brake, tend to pop an endo.
Oh, no.
So what we're going to be doing today is you're going to pick one of those 3 cars.
Yep.
You're going to build it so that it sort of does that.
Yep.
And we're going to do a series of challenges to see which one of us did the better job.
Oh, shit.
Much later.
All right, so let's head down to the line.
Oh, my God. I can see my entire guy.
Let's just see this. I want to see. All right. Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Nick.
What
Wait.
the hell?
Watch. Wait. Look at this. Look at this. Ready?
What? Can I do that? Yes.
I didn't make it tippy. Oh well.
So where do you want to start from?
We're gonna start here, and we're gonna do every line.
Every line.
Every single one. The first one we'll do in reverse, because why not? Jesus, Nick, you've made a willy build. That's actually brilliant. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
1.
Yeah. Oh.
What is with your car? That's awesome.
All right, I'm ready. Go!
Hey!
Oh, I had a problem. My brakes are too good. Give me a minute. I'm coming back. Okay,
we're good. We're going. We're
keep going, keep going, keep going.
All right, now you're allowed to do 180s. You don't have to.
I'm getting ready for the next line.
How did you make your car so fucking good? Oh!
I hit the line.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
No, don't flip. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yes! Backwards.
I think I have to go get the tight. Oh! I almost side flipped. Let's go. Let's go.
Flippy cars? Yeah, slightly.
All right, and oh shit.
You're gonna have to tell me where the next line is because
Yeah, it's there.
I'm trying to stop.
My car has a tendency of trying to flip on its side when coming around.
Look at my stupid thing.
It's so funny though, especially when you brake.
And brake.
Nick, let me check if the under your car's clean.
Is it all good?
Yeah, it is. You know what you've made? You've actually made a front flip car. Like this is something you could do a video of. Like literally front flip car in Forza. My car's not that flippy. It's really weird. Oh my god, what the fuck? Your car just jumped on the side.
It's really good. Do you have ABS off?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so then just lock up every time you brake. Try it. Your car just snapped and tried to murder
It
you.
jumped. Did you see that? All right, and yo, Nick, I'm in the lead. Are you feeling the pressure of the losing? Oh my god.
Not really.
Nick, oh, I was doing a side wheelie.
Turn, 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 turn. When it actually works, my car. Oh, I'm on 2 wheels. It works pretty nicely.
Oh my god, my car is.
Raymond's car, your car's trying to kill you.
Oh, it's so stupid. Across the line.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh, here comes Nick. Here comes Nick.
Aw,
It didn't do anything. That was good.
but look what I can do.
Yeah, you've made a wheelie car. Like, you know all those times you spend in stream struggling to make a wheelie car?
I did it.
And all you had to do is put everything to soft.
There you go.
Ironically, the race just ended.
That was very convenient.
Hey, so the score is 1-0.
Yes.
What we've learned so far is Nick has a wheelie car and an endo car, and mine tends to jump on the straights.
Yes. Most
Yeah.
stupid car there is.
It is quite good. So what we're gonna do now is, Nick, I'd like you to pick a racetrack.
I would like to do
Something fun, something that you think these cars have potential on, if you know what I mean.
the Alps.
Okay, I can see that. I can see. Let's go. All right, so Nick, where do you think you're gonna power through here?
What?
Where do you think you're gonna win?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
My car is superior.
Is it now?
Yes.
You clearly have the better launch, I'll tell you that.
It's 600 horsepower.
I don't know how much mine has.
Are we doing reverse? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yo, Raymond, look when my car revs.
Your suspension just buckles. Off the line. Nick is still pulling a wheelie. Jesus Christ. All right, here we go.
And turn.
Oh my god.
Wheels in the air.
Nick is.
This is what Forza 7 was supposed to be built for. Right here, boys.
Let's go. Oh, I'm just drifting it. Oh, oh shit. Okay, we're good. Okay, come on. Let's go.
This is clearly what everyone wanted to see.
No. Oh yeah, we're good. Nick, honestly, the viewers have been asking for this kind of footage. This is just.
That went badly. My car, for whatever reason, decided to try to drive on the wall.
My car's not flipping. I don't understand. I made a bad car, Nick.
I've built an amazing car. My car makes up for yours.
Oh
piece
my
of
god,
crap.
what the fuck? I wish I had the Titan. So bad right now. I think I might have to switch to it because you're struggling too much and I'm having it way too easy.
I am having a lot of problems.
All right, quit.
Are you making a Titan?
Yeah, because look how much you're struggling and look how much I'm not struggling. Right? Am I
Sure.
wrong?
There we go.
That's ridiculous.
Just does wheelies everywhere. That was it.
So far, nothing bad. Although I can't see you because it's so big. Oh, it's tippy.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, you're going on 2 wheels, basically. That thing is huge.
If only there wasn't a banking. Oh, there.
Oh my god, your wheel's in the air.
Oh, no.
Somehow it's still drivable, though.
I got... Nick, why is your car so not dry? I can't see! The Titan... Look at my
Oh
screen!
my God.
The Titan takes up all of it.
I'm just saying, do I win this one for building, like...
The worst car? I
Yeah.
think you're gonna have to at the end, but we'll see.
It's just like, it'll slam itself down?
There's too much inclines. Oh my god, your car is stupid.
It's 2 wheels all the way around the track.
There's been an accident. Oh, there's been another accident. Nick, this is probably the most intense race we've ever had in the history of Forza.
You sure?
Yep.
As you just run away? You're trying to get it to tip?
Yeah!
You really don't have to try very hard with mine, I'll tell you that.
I'm so jealous right now. I've done horribly in this challenge. I'm not impressed with my skills so far. Nick is
I'm the master of jelly cars.
yeah, you are. I don't think this race is proving much, Nick.
No, it is. It is.
I'm coming, buddy!
It's just one car is much better than the other. Well, I'm just gonna say, Raymond.
Yeah.
As a flip car,
I haven't done well.
I think we know who wins.
Point to Nick.
Yay!
I'm giving it because things are not working out the way.
Oh, he's changing cars again.
Yep.
What are we doing now?
We're gonna do something simpler and more entertaining.
Yep.
We're gonna go into an online lobby.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. So instead of trying to figure out which one of us has built the better car, I've just decided, how about we just try and have fun in Forza?
In Forza 7.
Yeah. I know
That's
it's
a challenge.
oh, party.
Mute. No, go! I got rammed. Oh, Raymond!
You've already had an accident.
Oh my god!
I've almost went into the pits. What's up, Nick?
I'm in fucking last place.
That was me.
Is this racing or is this ping pong?
This is all good. We're good. We're good. Okay, for entertainment value only, I'm doing this. Oh my god. Oh no.
I feel sorry for the other people in our lobby.
I feel sorry for anyone who has to watch this perspective. Holy shit, Nick, I'm doing the worst thing possible.
I've already flipped.
Oh, well.
I'm gone.
Your car's just stupid is what it is.
It's great. I don't know what you're talking about.
I found it's almost easier to drift in these cars.
Mine doesn't do that. Sorry. You'll catch up. Look at that.
For lack of a better term, you are quite literally driving on one wheel 3/4 of the time.
Yeah. I'll just float across the map. Up. Okay, and we're gone again.
Don't mind that. Nope. All right, cool.
Raymond, we're definitely gonna get lapped. I'm legitimately trying to get around the course. It just doesn't work. Like, because this keeps happening.
That's
Spinning, yo.
There's something so funny about that.
It's just a stupid car.
This is our, I want to say our first ever Let's Fail. I hate Ghost Mode.
Look at these wheelies. Oh. If that was real, I would have jumped over that fence. See the fence on the left?
Yep.
I went higher than that.
I'm about to get lopped. Oh, let's go.
I'm trying to get around the course. Oh my god.
The hostile Canadian followed me straight into a wall there. That was good.
Raymond's racing.
Let's go, let's go. Okay, now
We're both gone. That was synchronized sucking.
It's because my inside front wheel goes up when I try and turn.
I'm just driving off road. I'm just like, I don't want to crash into anyone. Raymond, you crashed into that wall real bad.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, please don't hit anyone. Please don't hit anyone. Please don't hit anyone. I'm gone again.
So, I've thought of the only possible thing I can do to make this challenge entertaining.
Yep.
Since we've already established which car is the best, there's only
worst.
one thing left to establish.
Yeah.
Could you save your tune, please?
Sure.
Well, I mean, like, you have the better car, but now we need to find out who's the better driver, right?
Oh dear.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm going flat out.
Just
from the
rev
start.
it off the start.
Yeah,
You
they're
see it shake?
both shaking.
I'm about to see what my car looks like.
Oh my god, what the fuck is this?
Wheelie, bro! I'm gone.
Oh my god, this car is awesome.
I'm
Oh my
still
god.
on my roof.
Oh, it's I missed the turn.
And I'm finally back.
What is with, this is like the perfect Australian car. It's like a freaking kangaroo.
What?
It keeps jumping.
It just jumps, yeah. That's what I was saying, it hops.
All you have to do is jerk the wheel once or twice, and then it hops. Hippity hop, hoppity hop.
How can you drive this?
A lot of skill. That's exactly how. I don't know how you're struggling. Oh, okay, what? Wait.
Try to go around a high-speed corner and we'll see what happens. Oh, he's backwards. And if you want, try to brake and then gun it at the same time.
Yeah, I'm trying to race more than anything, right? It's different. Oh my, thank you.
Yes!
Nick! You set me completely off track.
That's okay. All right, well, that's karma.
I just saw your car just jump.
Oh my god, Raymond, you pulled a huge wheelie.
This car's amazing because it's a side flip and a wheelie build. It
does
is literally
everything.
you've ever wanted in a car build. It can do.
How
Except
did I
race.
not roll down there? It was the most stable it's been down there. I thought I was gonna flip and
It's
die.
because of the compression. Right?
I guess? Then it actually works properly?
Oh my god! Oh! No!
Yes! No! No! Stop!
Oh! Yes! Let's go, baby! Woo!
Oh my god.
Rip everyone's ears. So what we've learned today, after many failures,
Is that these are the most stupid cars in the game.
is that if you want to have fun, go download Nick's Tune.
There you go.
This was a great success.
Yep.
And Nick's better at building cars, and I'm better at driving him.
Apparently, just by a little bit.
Just by a little bit.
All
Mainly
right.
the straight part, which doesn't make sense because we both had the same car. Follow that, and on that terrible disappointment,
Enjoy your Saturday. Saturday.